Good morning, guys. Merry Christmas. It's 10:56 in the AM, as you can see there, and we're running a battle for Andrew's carded Ledy Vader, as you can see there. Looks like a nice one. I got 100 spots that I'm going to copy. There we got them. And take over to random to find our winner. Paste them in there, 100 entries. That's nice. Good number. That's how many we're supposed to have. We're going to roll the dice to see how many rounds we're going to go. Got to get a 5 or better to play, which we did. We got an 11. Couldn't be much more ready to find this bad boy a new home on a Christmas. Here we go. Good luck, everybody, as we get to work. Steven takes round 1 with 92. Marco, round 2 with number 97. Good number there. Round 3, Chris takes round 3 with 30. Joe, round 4. Steven again on top in round 5, this time with number 27. Don, round 6. Donnie, round 7. Steven again on top in round 8, this time with number 35. Donnie again on top with 82. Michael in the top spot for our next list, round 10 with number 87, bringing us unavoidably to the last round. Good luck, guys. Last round. Watch my spelling there. Here we go, and our winner is Dieter in at number 66. One more there. We got the Mark of the Beast. Congratulations, sir. Here's the verification. Make it legit. MBRLVH is our verification. Dieter in at number 66 is the champ of Andrew's Ledy Vader. Consequently, I am done at 10:58 a.m. Eastern Time on a Christmas. There it is. One last time, there's the results. Congrats to our winner. See you next time, guys. Merry Christmas again.